Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss Azure SQL and Azure SQL Database. So, what is Azure SQL? Azure SQL is a family of a managed, secure, and intelligent product that use the SQL Server database engine in the Azure cloud. Same as a SQL Server, only difference Azure SQL running within the Azure cloud environment. Azure SQL Service Level Agreement, both infrastructure as a services and platform as a services options are available. Both platform as a services and infrastructure as a services option include a base price that cover the underlying infrastructure and licensing. With the IS option, you need to invest extra time and resources to manage your database. In a pass, you get a administration feature included in the price. Both pass and IS option give the ability to pass your resources to help a administration cost. Azure SQL Deployment option. Azure SQL Database, Azure SQL Manage Instance, SQL Server on Azure VM. So three deployment option for Azure SQL. Login Azure Portal, portal.azure.com. Select Azure SQL or search for Azure SQL in a search box. Click on Create. You will get three deployment options for Azure SQL. I am going to discuss deployment option Azure SQL Database. First, we'll discuss deployment option Azure SQL Database. Other option I will continue next session. So next, what is Azure SQL Database? Microsoft defined Azure SQL Database as a relational database as a services product that fall in the platform as a service category. It supports serverless compute architecture. Microsoft manage upgrading, patching, backup, and monitoring. Azure SQL Database is always running on the latest stable version. A pay-as-you-go subscription model that allow a user to scale up or down the available resources depending on an organization need. Deployment option SQL database having a three resources type. Just click on a show detail. You can see three type of a SQL database deployment option, or you can see three resources type of SQL database: single database, elastic pool, database server. Resources type single database. Single database represent a fully managed isolated database. Use this option if you have a modern cloud application and microservices that need a single reliable data sources. Features of single database is hyperscale storage, serverless compute, and easy management. Elastic pool resources type. An elastic pool, which is a collection of a database with a shared set of resources managed via a logical server. Single database can be moved into and out of an elastic pool. Feature resources sharing for cost optimization, simplified performance management. Resources type database server. Database server are used to manage a group of a single database and elastic pool. Feature access management, backup management, and business continuity management. So next, how to create SQL database. To create a SQL database for resources type single database, click on a create. Under project detail, subscription resources group, you need to provide database detail and server detail, you need to provide. Under networking, you need to provide networking related setting, you need to provide detail for security and additional setting. At last, you can review and create that database. This video is getting longer. In my next video, I will show you how to create Azure SQL database step by step. Thanks for watching.